Residents of a stretch of low-lying G. Araneta Avenue in Quezon City, known as a perennial flood hotspot, can breathe a sigh of relief after today's inspection of a completed drainage rehab and flood mitigation project by DPWH head honcho Vince Dizon. Our Bernard Ferrer has more on the 0.7-kilometer long, 1.5-meter diameter pipe put in place along the stretch of Iraya Street and E. Rodriguez Avenue for greater drainage capacity.
Hindi makabiyahe, hanap buhay namin, hindi kami kumikita.
This is the daily struggle of Francis, a tricycle driver whenever flooding occurs along G. Araneta Avenue in Quezon City. The place is known to be low-lying area, so he and his family experience a severe impact of flooding on their livelihood and everyday lives.
Yung pag-ano pa namin sa bahay, pag-akit namin ng mga gamit, ayun po, mga mahirap na pag nabaha po kami dito. Walang pera, walang kita sa araw-araw. Tapos matagal pa kung bago umupa.
That is why the drainage rehabilitation project along G. Araneta Avenue, particularly from Caliraya Street to E. Rodriguez Avenue, is a huge relief for him. The project, worth nearly 400 million pesos, aims to address the perennial flooding problem during heavy rains. The capacity of the drainage system was expanded through the installation of two 1.5-meter diameter pipes, replacing the previously 36 inches pipes. The project covers a total length of 700 meters.
Kasi dati hindi kang mataas yung baha dito, 6 na oras mahigit bago bumaba yung tubig dito. So ngayon, mas malaki yung drainage, mas mabilis.
Sidewalks were also repaired. Improvements to the drainage line leading from E. Rodriguez Avenue to the San Juan River have also begun and are targeted for completion by May 2026.
So ang sabi lang ni Presidente, kailangan paspasan natin yung trabaho kasi pagdating ng Hunyo, uulan na naman, magbabaan na naman. Kaya tuloy-tuloy yung inspeksyon natin dito kasi sinisigurado natin na mabilis matatapos itong mga proyekto natin kontra baha.
This will be accompanied by continuous dredging to deepen the river and improve water flow.
Napansin ko, malaki na ang pagbabago dito. No? Dati, nung una kong binisita to, nung nag-umpisa tayo ng kontrabaha last year, napakababaw nito. No? Halos dyan na sa mga bakal na column na yan.
Project NOAA will also conduct simulations to measure the impact of the rehabilitation. Meanwhile, funding has been scheduled for 2027 for the construction of a 280 million pesos pumping station along the San Juan River. As a temporary solution, the DPWH will install a mobile pump starting May 2026 to speed up water outflow from G. Araneta Avenue. The department will also purchase additional mobile pumps for immediate deployment in other flood-prone areas. Bernard Ferrer from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.